Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find the display, and as you can see, right here we've got the screen timeout, so let's enter. And here we've got different options from which you can choose, so we can pick kind of shorter options or quicker options and longer ones. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. It's up to you, of course. If you want to change the timeout, just tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.